Hello again. Total beginner here on video skills, so bear with me as I do this. I just finished this punch needle design. It is by the Old Tattered Flag. I think it's called Pamela's Settlement. And I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but it's kind of curled up, which happens when you do punch needle. Happens with everyone. So I'm going to show you how I steam it. And this is the real thing. This is how I actually do it. I don't have an iron board. I do it on my floor. So I just lay it out. I have a damp dishcloth. Put that over top. Take my hot iron. You can hear it sizzle. You don't have to hold it on there long. Just a couple seconds. You can see it's already flattened out. Then I'm going to turn it over. Do the same thing on the other side. And that's it. So now it is flat, and I just let it dry. In my next video, I'm going to show you how I cut this off the excess, turn it back and glue it, and I'm going to mount it onto a board. A horn book I call them, and I make my own, so I do have to make that tomorrow. And then when that's all finished and ready, I will do another video of how I attach this. So that's it for tonight, and please subscribe if you want to follow me and be on my journey with punch needle, and give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks. Have a good night.